So here we have one 3D printed spring spacer, 10mm thick, and then by the spring diameter, roughly around 100mm. So it slides onto the spring and up into the car. Currently now printing another one. This is just to level out the car a bit. The rear's nice and low, but it's a bit uneven compared to the front. I don't really want to lower the front that much more, so I thought I'll just see if I can make like a spacer just to space the rear just a little bit higher. That way as well, with passengers in it, it's not sacked out. But yeah, instead of buying them or doing whatever, I thought, a 3D printer will do it. Just on quite a coarse print, but it should be strong enough. It's all webbed inside here, so I'm just getting direct pressure on it, so it should be fine. Be interesting to test anyway. This one spring spacer now in, so you can see it's quite a bit higher. Might settle a little bit. Did have to trim some of the plastic away to get it to sit up in there nicely, so I'll revise that design, and if I ever print more it'd be sweet. But yeah, now it seems to be a bit more level. So I went and revised the spacer design, so I've gone and printed another one. This one's now actually got thicker webbing inside, so I did a thicker print, so you can actually tell it how dense you want the print to be, because it built up this membrane inside the hollow pieces, so that's now thicker, way stronger. Not that the other one wasn't, but I just wanted to make sure it was stronger, which made it take a bit longer than it did last time. The main difference is I've actually made this angle, made it actually an angle, so it's actually curving slightly out, or slightly in, sorry. That way, like before I did machine, like sand the bit off and this edge to make it fit the car, so this way it just should fit direct. But yeah, apart from that, it's still the same as last time. Just one day I'll get around to fitting these in the car. The other ones work now. So I've been having some nice boost issues. Last time at the track it was cracking boost lines because of heat. Now it's doing it again, it's popping the lines off. So as you can see there, there's a line missing off the end of the T. So yeah, that's not ideal. You end up boosting 24 pound when you don't want to. So I ended up buying some probably Turbo Smart silicone hose. Hopefully this will sort out issues. It's a way higher melting point than what like the rubber does. So the rubber just ends up going hard and cracks, but this shaft should hopefully hold up to the heat. Otherwise I'll have to run some braided line or something, so that's on the cards for today.